Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. So today I want to make a quick unboxing on just a new vlogging and camera that I'll be making content on. It is the Canon EOS M50. As you guys can see, I did open the box already, but I haven't opened this box here. I specifically got this camera because it had like the dual autofocusing. It has a pretty wide angle lens, so for that reason is the reason why I bought this. And I paid $520 for this plus tax. I also bought some extra batteries because I know this camera doesn't have like the best battery life. Canon Eos M50. It comes with the 15 to 45 kit lens, 24.1 megapixels, dual pixel autofocusing. It's mirrorless too, and it also shoots in 4K, but I'm primarily going to use it for the 1080p purposes. Just a quick review of the box. There we go. I was going to choose the G7X, but after doing further research and stuff like that, come to find out that this is a little bit better, but it is also a little bit bigger. So when you get this camera, this is what comes on top. It's kind of just showing you how to use it. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see what this says. Limited warranty from Canon. EOS M50 user manual. I'll go through that later on. And this is just to register your camera for like any firmware, software updates. And then here we go. Alrighty, first off, I see this EOS Canon strap, which is pretty cool. Next, we have everything comes nicely packed, which I do really like. So this is the lens itself. Let's see. We can open it up. Pretty small, nice and compact. There's that. Next off, I believe we have the battery. Like I said, this battery doesn't last too long. So there's the battery. We'll put that there. Nothing else in here. And we just have the camera itself. Next. Comes nicely wrapped. So this is the camera itself. The back, you have all your dials and stuff here. The grip is pretty good. It has like a nice grip for it. It's not too big, a lot smaller than actual DSLR. There's a screen that people like that switches open. There we go. I think it's a good sized camera for what it is. You can twist it back. I'm able to clip things on top. It has the bottom where you're supposed to screw. This is where your battery will go. Battery, your SD slot. I mean, it fits in my hand well. Like I can just carry this and not worry about like it falling or anything. So there's that. And then I believe lastly we have the battery charger. So here's the battery charger. There we go, just for one battery, the wall outlet. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Like I said, I did buy extra batteries, which I'm going to show you guys now. So once I bought the camera, I knew I was going to need more batteries. So here it is. The brand is called Castar. It's this dual charger here. And I actually bought 3 batteries for about 25 bucks. And let's see. So this is what the battery looks like. Let's open it up for you guys. Looks similar to the OEM battery that it comes with, but here it is. Like I said, it's 23. It's 23 as compared to the one where I showed you guys with only about 875. So a lot more juice in here for about the same size as you guys can see. This will last longer and carry more of a charge, so that's why I bought that. This is what battery charge looks like. I chose this battery charger because I like the portability of it. You can simply connect it to any USB wall plug-in or your car charger when you're on the go. You just plug this in here. You plug this side into wherever USB outlet you have. You can charge 2 of them at the same time. It has an LED to let you know when they're charged. Lastly, I bought this like little handheld lanyard just to make sure the camera's always on my hand. And this is a simple little thing you can add to your camera. Instead of using like the neck strap, you just kind of put it through this hole here, and then you just simply input the longer side, making sure everything gets through. It does feel sturdy. It does feel like it's not going to fall off my hand. I recently tried it. So yeah, and you tie it like that. You can put it around your arm, tighten this up, So when you're out vlogging and stuff like that, you can kind of let it dangle if you need to, or you can like hold it across here like that, point at yourself, and you know it's always going to be strapped on and secure to you. So everything I purchased here will be down in the link below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.